So 7 2s are 14, carry over 1, 7 2s are 14, meaning carry over 1. So 5 2s are 10. So 77.5. Next one, 100 plus 85 by 2, 185 by 2, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So 92.5. So multiply F5 into Xi, 2 into 17.5. This is 35.0. Next one, 3 into 32.5. This is multiplication, 97.5. Next one, 7 into 47.5. This is 332.5. Next one, 6 into 62.5. 375.5. 375.0. Next, 16 to 77.5 is 465.50. Next one, 16 to 92.5 is 555.0. So you add. So summation F5, you add these values, 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 30. I equal to 1 to n. This next one, you add this one, summation F5 into Xi equal to, you add total number of values, 1860.0. So you substitute these values in the formula. Mean equal to x bar equal to summation F5 Xi by summation F5. So 1860.0 by 30. So 1860 by 30. 1 0 0 cancel. 1 3s are 3. 6 3s are 18. 2 3s are 6. So 62. Mean equal to x bar equal to 62. So mean value is x bar equal to 62. That's all this video. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you have any doubts, tell me in comment section. Thank you.